back on site with Mike Bosch. We've took a bit of an absence here, but we're back at it. We're in one of our projects here in Burlington. I'm going to take you through. We completely redid this entire house, and we're going to go room through room. This particular room got new hardwood, paint, trim, and then a complete set of built-in cabinets. Lighting is incorporated into the built-ins. Matching countertop matches the rest of the built-ins. Lots of drawers and interior storage. And then we changed this opening as we did the renovation and created a pocket door so you can close the door while you're watching TV or even talking on the phone or having a conversation with someone. Take you through to the dining room. Light fixtures, paint and some trim throughout. One of the things that we're doing quite often are powder rooms with some fancy options. You can do some nice tile. The space isn't that big. Custom millwork vanity with a quartz countertop, a single hole faucet, tile with a pattern to it. Take you into the great room. The fireplace was recladded with a marble tile and then custom millwork mantle. We hang all the TVs and do all the audio video while we're here. The stairs were recladded, new posts and pickets put in, and then our painter comes in and we do the finishes, and the customer chooses whether they want to do a full hardwood finish or a split finish or a piano finish. And then into the kitchen. So it's a custom kitchen made by Touchwood Cabinets. All the cabinets are measured to fit. These particular countertops are Cambria. We have an undermount sink with a single hole faucet. And then above the stove, we also have a faucet so you can fill your pots and things for pasta and whatnot. Gas stove. And then these cabinets are, because of this extra high ceiling height, we have extra tall cabinets. So loads of storage. We also have built-in wall ovens. And then I incorporated a fridge into the cabinetry as well. Here we are in a custom Bosch ONSITE freestanding tub, a custom-made vanity with quartz countertops, undermount sinks, 3-hole faucets. We also did the mirrors as well. And then if you come around, this is the shower in the bathroom. It's an extra large shower. It has a bench, a niche for all your soaps with 3 pot lights in it. We also put in 3 body sprayers and a handheld shower head.